Good morning. Today we are going to see a case study problem on correlation from the course Mathematics and Statistical Computation. First, we should know what is meant by a correlation. Correlation means relationship between two variables. For example, marks of a students. To find out the relation between two variables in a population, linear correlation formula is used. To see how the variables are connected, we will use the linear correlation. Also, this correlation is known as Pearson's correlation because the correlation was discovered by this person, Pearson's. A linear correlation is denoted by the letter small r and the value will be between -1 and 1. The elements denote a strong relationship if the product is 1. Similarly, if the coefficient comes close to -1, then the correlation is said to be a negative correlation. If suppose the correlation value is 0, then there will be a no relation between the given data, where n is the number of observation, xi and yi are the variables. My problem: calculate the linear correlation coefficient for the following data. My x value is 4, 8, 12, 16 and my y value is 5, 10, 15, 20. Sometimes they will give in table column also. My solution: given variables are x is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and y is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Here the x value increases, similarly the y value is also increases, hence it is a positive correlation. For finding a linear coefficient of these data, first we need to construct a table for the required values. My table is x, y, x square, y square, xy. X and y values are given in the question itself. The sum of the x value is calculated at the below. Summation x equal to 40. Similarly, summation y is equal to 50. X square means we have to square each and every term of x. So 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64, 12 square is 144 and 16 square is 256. Altogether, if we total it, we will get 480. Similarly, we have to calculate the y square value by squaring each and every values in y. Last column xy. Xy means we have to multiply both x and y values. In the first variable x, we are having 4. In y, we are having 5. So 5 4s are 20, 8 10s are 80, 12 15s are 180, 16 20s are 320. Altogether will given a sum value as 600. Now I am going to apply these values in my formula. According to linear formula, linear correlation, we are having our formula or x of y. Or means correlation coefficient is equal to n xy minus summation x summation y divided by square root of n summation x minus summation x the whole square into n into y square minus summation y the whole square. By simplifying this, I will get the numerator value as 400, denominator value as square root of 320 and square root of 500. This can be calculated by using a calculator. The square root of 320 value is 17.89 and the square root of 500 value is 22.36. If we multiply the denominator, we will get the denominator value as 400 by 400. If we divide at 400 by 400, we will get the answer as 1. What I have already said, that both x and y variables are increasing, therefore my correlation will also in positive correlation. So here my answer is positive 1. Therefore, the given correlation is a positive correlation. Therefore, R of x comma y is equal to 1. It is a positive correlation. Second problem, find the value of correlation coefficient from the following table. They are given two values, age and the glucose level. Age is denoted by the parameter x and glucose level is denoted by the parameter y. 43, 21, 25, 42, 57, 59. Here the values are increasing and decreasing simultaneously, whereas y value also 99, 65, 79, 75, 87, 81. Here also there will be an increase and decrease in the glucose level. Therefore, the correlation will be of a negative correlation. So, I am going to calculate my summation x value by summing all the ages, and I am getting my summation y values by adding all the glucose level value. Xy means I am going to multiply the age and the glucose value, and x square means squaring the age, y square means glucose level squaring. I will get my summation value at the bottom of my table. By using the formula, I got the answer as 0.5298. I have already told that my correlation should lies between 0 to 1. My answer is 0.5. Therefore, my answer is correct. My correlation R value is 0.5292. I hope you all understand how to calculate the correlation coefficient by using a formula. Thank you.